positive attitude is very, very important. We all know it. Yet, 90% of you keep falling into the trap of negative thinking. That's why today I'm going to talk about how to develop a positive attitude and turn it into a habit. Hi, I'm Jaya Chakravarti, a motivation speaker and a success coach. Today, I'm going to share one simple yet powerful step, a secret most people don't even speak about. Stay with me till the end of the video to learn how you can turn this single step. By using this simple step, you can turn the law of attraction to work in your favor. Sounds interesting? Let's dive in. But before that, let me share an interesting short story. Once, a father had two sons. They were identical twins, but completely opposite in their attitude. One was an absolute pessimist. He was so pessimist that even on the brightest and the sunniest day, he could spot a small cloud at a distance and keep brooding over it the entire day. And the other was a die-hard positive guy. He could find a silver lining even in the worst of the situations. One day, father locked both his sons in two different rooms. The first one was locked in a room filled with best of the games and toys, everything that a child his age could dream of. And the second one was locked in a room filled with horse manure. The father told them that I'll be back in an hour. Till then, you guys enjoy yourselves freely. As promised, father came back exactly after an hour, and he opened the door of the first room. The boy was sitting in one corner, tears rolling down his cheeks. When asked what is wrong, he began complaining about the toys, the games, every single thing that was there in the room. The list was never ending. Next, the door to the second room was open. And oh my God, the father was shocked. The boy was nowhere to be seen. He was missing. And the room was sprayed with horse manure. It was splashed all around, horse manure all around. Suddenly, seeing the door open, his bright and sunny face popped up from behind a pile of horse manure. And all excited, he came running towards his dad, grinning ear to ear. And he said, "Dad, with so much horse manure around, there has to be a pony somewhere around, and I'm going to find him." So you see, the optimist will continue to see what is right and turn the situation in his favor, while the pessimist, even in the best of the situations, will continue to look for what is wrong, what is missing, what is lacking, and keep complaining, crying, and whining and blaming. But I want you to understand this. Life is not going to be easy. Bad things are going to happen to you. Things will not work out the way you want them to be all the time. But you have a choice. You have a choice to either sit around and keep searching for what is missing and picking out what's wrong and keep complaining and blaming, or you can take charge and spot that one little thing that is right and turn the situation around in your favor. And that is easily doable when you apply the secret step. Now we come to the secret step. Change your vocabulary, the negative words. Surprised, aren't you? So simple? Yes. Change the words, the negative words that you use while speaking to yourself and to others. Replace them with positive words, because when you change the words, it changes the meaning. When you change the meaning, it changes the way you look at things. And when you change the way you look at things, the things that you look at change. And it has a very big impact on your attitude. So, immediately after this video, take out your journal or a notebook and write down all the negative words and phrases that you use for the last 24 to 48 hours. And then next to them, write the reframed positive words and phrases. For example, I can't do it. The alternative positive statement, if anyone can do it, I can do it. I'm not smart enough. Positive statement, I am getting better and better by each day. Keep not just writing, but read them out loud for your brain to remember. And the next moment you catch yourself slipping into or using the negative words, immediately say stop and replace them with these positive alternative words and phrases. It has a deep, deep impact. And trust me, if you keep practicing it for 7 to 10 days, before you even realize something fabulous will happen. The negative words will disappear from your vocabulary and you will begin to think positive. And then when you develop a positive attitude, you start vibrating at a higher vibration. This is where something wonderful begins to happen. Something magical happens. You begin to attract the higher frequency from the universe. Universe matches your vibrations and abundance keeps flowing towards you. Opportunities flood into your life. You become a mega magnet, attracting all that is good. Abundance in health, wealth, relationship, fan following, name it, and you have it in every area of your life. So, why wait? I can tell you 2 things that can instantly raise the vibrations that you're vibrating right now. You want to know? Those 2 things? They are liking and sharing. So why wait? Do it right here, right now, before we are done with the video. Like, subscribe and share. Till we meet again in my next video. Namaste.